Hello and welcome to my maths YouTube channel, ABATTOIR. Today we want to consider the difference or the differences between volume and capacity. Volume and capacity. Number one, all solids have volume. What does it mean? Look here, what I have here is a solid and it has volume. What does it mean? If you place this stone somewhere, it's going to occupy space, not only linearly, it will also take space up. So this is a solid. This 1 dm cube container here is a solid. What I have here is also a solid. All the physical shapes you have in your houses, they are all examples of solid. Now, only hollow solids have capacity. You see, this one has volume and capacity. This has volume and capacity also. But this one you are seeing here has volume but no capacity. Why? This shape is not hollow. A hollow shape is a shape that has hole inside, or that has space inside. Like you have your pocket, you have your plates, and several other examples in your houses. So all solid. Once something is a solid, whether it is a knife, a plate, you have spoon, or any physical thing you see around you. Once a thing is a solid, it has automatically that thing has volume. But only hollow shapes have capacity. That's the first difference. Number two, volume is the total space occupied by a solid. Volume is the total space occupied by a solid. Now, what do I mean by that? If you look at this, you will agree with, if you want to find the volume of this, you will take the length of this shape, the breadth of this shape, and also the up space we call the height of the shape. Now, so the length times the breadth times the height will give you the volume. Now, for capacity is an inside space only. Now, if you look at this, you agree with me that this shape has thickness. So what it means is that capacity talks about the inside space. So in this regard, the volume will be higher than what? Than the capacity, because of the thickness between what? Between the outside space and the inside space. So all volume is the total space occupied by a solid, while capacity talks about only the inside space. If you have a teacup that is very thick, of course you know that the space inside for you to be able to put tea will be smaller than the entire space occupied by the teacup. Now, number three, unit of volumes are cubic millimeters, cubic centimeters, cubic decimeters, and then you have liter, and so on and so forth. Then, when you come to unit of capacity, we have unit of capacity are milliliter, centiliter, that is CL. This L here stands for liter, and then you have gallons. I believe you have heard of gallons before, and so on and so forth. So these are the major differences between capacity and volume. These are the major differences between capacity and volume. Three of them. So I have the classwork here for you as my own form of evaluation. Please ensure you do it. Number one, write 5 solid objects in your environment that have volume only. Number two, write 5 solid objects in your environment that have both capacity and volume. Please ensure you do the classwork. Remember, mathematics is a doing subject. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye for now.